Welcome. In this video we'll learn a complete process for downloading and installation of the complete LaTeX system for Windows. Basically we'll download and install the latest MikTeX distribution which contains all the LaTeX packages, and also we'll install a LaTeX editor, that is Text Studio. First of all we'll download the latest MikTeX distribution which is 21.1. Just go to MikTeX web page, download. From here we can download the basic MikTeX. Rather than basic MikTeX, we'll download the complete MikTeX. Go to all downloads. Choose net installer according to your system. Then download. Just open the installer. Just check the copying conditions. There are two options, download and install. First we'll download. Go to internet connection settings. If you are using a proxy server, then just check this option and provide the address. In my case I am not using any proxy server. I'll cancel. Choose complete MikTeX. There are several sources for downloading. You can choose any of the given options. I'll choose UK. This is the default path where MikTeX will be downloaded from the internet. We can change the path at the desktop. I'll create a new folder with the name of MikTeX. Next. This complete downloading process may take around 1 hour. Now downloading has been completed. Next. This is the latest MikTeX 21.1 version which we have downloaded. Total size is around 4 GB. Now we'll see the process of installation. Again open the installer. This time we need to choose a second option, install MikTeX. Next. Here I'll choose first one. Second one also can be opted. Here we need to give the path of the MikTeX which we have downloaded. Go to browse, desktop, MikTeX, press OK. This is the default destination path where MikTeX will be installed. No need to change. You may face some errors if you change the default path. Press next. This installation process may take from 15 to 30 minutes depending on your computer performance. Installation is completed. Next. Close this. Now we'll download and install the latest Text Studio. Just go to the web page of Text Studio. This is the latest version 3.1.1. I have already downloaded. Install this. The process is very simple. Go to Start menu and type Text Studio. From here we can open, or we can send this at the desktop. Go to Open File Location. Choose Text Studio and send this at the desktop. We can open. We will check with an example whether it is working or not. I have here one sample file. I'll open this and just compile from here. Yeah, it's working properly. There is no problem. Here we can save the MikTeX distributions, installer and Text Studio in one folder, and in the future we can directly install. No need to download. So in this way you can easily download and install the complete LaTeX system. That's all. Thanks for watching.